For decades, the US dollar has been the backbone of the global economy. It powers international trade, finance, and investment, symbolizing stability and trust worldwide. As the primary currency for global commerce, the dollar enables seamless transactions across borders, making it indispensable in our interconnected world. This dominance began after World War II, when the US emerged as the world's largest economy with a robust industrial base and financial system. The 1944 Bretton Woods Agreement solidified the dollar's role, pegging it to gold and establishing it as the world's reserve currency. This system made the dollar synonymous with economic stability, as nations held it in reserves, reinforcing its global dominance. The US has reaped significant benefits, from a strong position in global trade to affordable imports that enhance American living standards. A strong dollar means cheaper goods for American consumers, contributing to a higher quality of life. It also allows the US government to borrow at lower interest rates, reducing debt costs and providing fiscal flexibility. High global demand for dollar-denominated assets, like US Treasury bonds, further cements the dollar's position as the world's reserve currency. But the global landscape is changing. The dollar's dominance, while still strong, is facing new challenges. China's rapid economic rise is reshaping the global financial system. With growing influence in trade, China is challenging the dollar's supremacy. By promoting the yuan as an alternative for international transactions, China aims to reduce reliance on the dollar and boost its economic independence. This shift is gradual but undeniable. The dollar's entrenched role ensures change won't happen overnight, but the signs are clear. As nations explore alternatives, the global balance of power is evolving, reshaping trade and finance with far-reaching consequences. The US, long at the helm of the global economy, now faces a formidable rival in China. This economic rivalry could redefine the world's monetary order. China is shaking up the global financial scene with its digital yuan, or ECNY. More than just a tech innovation, it's a calculated move to redefine global finance. Unlike decentralized cryptocurrencies, the digital yuan is fully controlled by the People's Bank of China. This gives Beijing unmatched authority over its use and distribution. The goal? To internationalize the yuan and reduce reliance on the US dollar. The digital yuan enables faster, cheaper cross-border payments, offering an alternative to the US-dominated SWIFT system. Pilot programs are already live in major cities, with plans for nationwide expansion. While challenges persist, China's push for its digital currency is making waves globally. The digital yuan is more than a currency. It's a statement of China's financial ambitions. China's global ambitions are reshaping the economic landscape. Over the years, it has evolved into a dominant economic force, not just through manufacturing and exports, but by weaving a network of trade alliances that cement its role in global commerce. Beijing is actively building partnerships to create a yuan-centered trading bloc. This strategy aims to reduce reliance on Western financial systems and foster a more balanced global economy. By strengthening ties with neighbors and beyond, China is positioning itself as a key player in international trade. A standout example is the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP, signed in 2020. This historic free trade pact unites 15 Asia-Pacific nations, including China, Japan, and South Korea, to lower tariffs, streamline trade, and integrate regional economies. Covering nearly a third of the global population and GDP, RCEP is a game-changer. It not only boosts trade, but also encourages collaboration in technology, investment, and sustainable development. China is also deepening ties with ASEAN, a key partner of 10 nations with growing economic influence. Trade between China and ASEAN has surged, reflecting their increasing interdependence. As ASEAN's largest trading partner, China is negotiating a free trade agreement to further reduce barriers and enhance market access. Beyond trade, cultural and technological exchanges are strengthening their bond. Beyond Asia, the Belt and Road Initiative is extending China's reach. Spanning over 140 countries, this massive infrastructure project connects continents through railways, ports, and trade routes. These alliances open new markets for Chinese goods and services, while fostering collaboration in technology, energy, and finance. China is building a more interconnected global economy. A key goal is reducing reliance on the US dollar. By promoting the yuan in global trade, China is gradually shifting the financial landscape. The yuan's growing acceptance, bolstered by innovations like the digital yuan, is paving the way for it to become a global reserve currency. China's expanding trade web is reshaping global commerce. As it strengthens alliances and builds connections, its influence on the global economy is undeniable, marking a new chapter in international trade. China's technological ascent is reshaping the global landscape. Once known for low-cost manufacturing, China has evolved into a hub of innovation and advanced technology, challenging US dominance on multiple fronts. Semiconductors, the brains of modern electronics, are vital for everything from smartphones to AI. For years, China lagged in this critical industry, but that narrative is rapidly changing. Today, China is making bold strides in chip making, aiming not just to catch up, but to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers. This push for self-sufficiency is a cornerstone of its strategy. Backed by massive government funding and R&D investments, China is fueling a technological leap. Billions of dollars are being funneled into domestic chip makers, underscoring the sector's strategic importance. Companies like Huawei and SMIC are leading the charge. Despite sanctions, Huawei continues to innovate in 5G and AI, while SMIC is advancing its chip manufacturing capabilities. These firms embody China's high-tech ambitions. But China's vision extends beyond semiconductors. From robotics to quantum computing, the nation is pushing boundaries across a spectrum of industries. In areas like AI, 5G, and renewable energy, China is making significant progress. Its leadership in 5G, for instance, has already positioned it as a global frontrunner in next-gen connectivity. These advancements are reshaping global perceptions. China's growing tech prowess is not only elevating its global standing but also intensifying competition on the world stage. By developing its own technologies, China is reducing dependence on Western suppliers and insulating itself from geopolitical risks. This self-reliance is central to its long-term strategy. China's rise as a tech leader is attracting global attention and investment. Its ability to produce cutting-edge innovations is redefining its role in the global tech industry. The ripple effects are being felt in Silicon Valley, where US tech giants face a formidable Chinese rival. This is more than an economic rivalry. It's a battle for technological supremacy that will shape the future of global innovation.